What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how to upload an HD quality status over the WhatsApp. For that, the process is very simple. So first thing first that you need to do is to go to the Play Store application and make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date and there is no panic update available on the WhatsApp. So once you make sure of that, just go and head back to your WhatsApp application. Once you're back in the WhatsApp application, all you have to do is to select a photo or which you think is in HD quality. For example, for me, this picture is in HD quality. I'm just gonna go ahead and select this picture, and you guys could say that this picture is in HD quality, and this picture will be uploaded in the HD quality as well. So once I will click on the next button, the status will be uploaded. So this is how you guys can do it. So what you have to do is to make sure that your picture and photograph or video is in HD quality and you have a stable internet connection in order to do so. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful.